Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Okanagan, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers performs regular long-distance moves across the Canadian border to the United States and other states within the Canadian borders. We have a professionally trained, bonded, insured, and licensed team that executes your relocation from start to finish. Our long-distance moving services include and are not limited to the following offers: boxes and container labeling, configuration and on-site setup, crating especially for fragile and heavy pieces, friendly customer service, loading and unloading storage services, vehicle shipping, wrapping and packing, and also modern, well-maintained vans and trucks. A local move entails any relocation to a place that does not exceed 100 miles. As short as the distance is, planning and executing a local move is just as challenging as organizing a long-distance move. When you put your trust in 3 Movers for your local move, we promise the following: transparent pricing with no hidden fees, custom-designed modern moving trucks, specially customized local moving plans, uniformed and highly trained professional movers, in-home assessments, free quotes, same-day services, and also wraps, covers, and padding for the safety of your possessions. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Okanagan moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.